When people in long-term relationships are shown pictures of attractive people, their brains activate differently compared to those who are single. So this is where it starts. When it comes to romantic relationships, loyalty is a big deal. But is it purely a choice, or is there a neuroscience behind it? Turns out our brains play a big role in how we manage jealousy and maintain loyalty in long-term relationships. Through techniques like fMRI brain scans, researchers have uncovered the brain regions involved in jealousy and partner devaluation, which are key in understanding how we stay loyal. One of the brain areas involved in managing jealousy is the insular cortex, IC, which is associated with emotional processing, and the anterior cingulate cortex, ACC, which plays a role in emotional regulation and decision-making. Brain scans show these areas become more active when people with higher jealousy scores are exposed to the faces of people they see as potential rivals. This suggests that when we're jealous, certain parts of our brain become more active to help us manage those emotions. But it's not just about jealousy. Loyalty also involves how we deal with potential threats to our relationship. For example, when people in long-term relationships are shown pictures of attractive people, their brains activate differently compared to those who are single. The same brain region that activates is also known for its role in emotional regulation and executive function. That's the bit that lets us plan and organize, meaning it helps us control urges and make decisions that benefit our relationships. The activation of these areas is stronger in people who are already in long-term relationships, suggesting that loyalty becomes a learned set of brain processes that we rely on to maintain our bond. Do hormones make a difference? Absolutely. Researchers have also explored the role of oxytocin, the love hormone linked to bonding and attachment. When single and committed men were each given either the love hormone or a fake version they believed to be the hormone, they reacted differently to hot women. Men in relationships, especially when given the love hormone, were more likely to maintain a greater distance from the attractive female compared to single men, and were slower to approach photos of attractive women. This suggests that oxytocin not only reinforces the positive feelings we have for our partner, but also helps us avoid seeking alternatives. In this way, it probably helps us stay loyal by strengthening the bond we have with our partner while simultaneously decreasing interest in other potential partners. So, loyalty isn't just about willpower or social norms. Our brains are actively involved in maintaining it. From managing jealousy to avoiding temptation of potential alternative options, our brain's emotional and executive systems seem hardwired to help us stay loyal to our partners. So, if you've ever wondered whether our brains are wired to stay faithful or if loyalty is just a social construct, looks like it's a bit of both, but your brain's biology is definitely guiding you.